Hello guys, this is Shivraj Joshi and today I am here with my first video of WordPress tutorial. In this video I will teach you how you can install WordPress offline. If you are using Windows, then you will need two things. First is XAMPP and second one is WordPress zip file. And if you are using Mac, then you will need MAMP, MAMP and a WordPress zip file. So guys, after getting these two things, first you have to install XAMPP in your system, and after installation of XAMPP, just you have to do it. What you have to actually do is just unzip the WordPress zip file. And guys, the installation of XAMPP is like they really take too much time, so I am not showing in this video because the video become too much lengthy, so I just skip this part. If you stuck anywhere in XAMPP installation, this is actually easy, but if you actually stuck in anywhere, then feel free to ask. I will tell you how you can install it. So guys, it will take near about 4 to 5 seconds to unzip. After unzip, I will tell you the further steps, so stay tuned with me, watch this full video, because if you skip some parts, then you will definitely stuck anywhere in the futures part. Okay, so here as you can see, WordPress file is unzipped. After that, you have to just locate the XAMPP folder. You can find it on C in below XAMPP, and here you have to find htdocs. After finding htdocs, just you have to just drag the unzip file of folder of WordPress to htdocs. And after doing this, just go to your tray, and here you can, after installation of XAMPP, here you can see the XAMPP. Just double click on it. For working of WordPress, you will need to start these three things, which are Apache, MySQL and Tomcat. Just start it. Start. After starting it, just go to MySQL admin page. Here you have to make a database in which we are storing all of our data, or all of our WordPress data or websites data. So you have to create like a database of any name. I am just creating it like what to say, try one, or just try. Sorry for this. Try. Here my database is created. After creating database, just type it localhost / and what to say, WordPress. Guys, why we are here putting WordPress? Because I'll show you why we put, because here our WordPress folder's name is a WordPress. If you rename the folder's name like in your name or in your website name, then there will be like a localhost / and here will be your like what to say, website's name. Okay, just click on let's go, and here you can see the database name. It is actually taking my previous database. So what was my current database is like try, and username will be root. And if you want to put a password to your database, then put it, otherwise leave it blank. I am leaving it blank, and just click on submit. After submitting, here you can see there is a run the installation. Okay, just click on it. After click on it, WordPress will ask you for your name, password and site title. So put it, the site title, and I am putting this is my first website, and username will be whichever you want. This is admin. I am putting it admin as a password. Guys, if you make a weak password, then you have to confirm the weak password. And guys, most importantly, you have to put an email address. So if in future you forget your password, dashboard login password, then password reset link will be sent you on your email address. Just click on install WordPress. Okay, it will take like a little bit of time, but not too much, like 15 to 20 seconds. So just wait for it. It is still okay. Here you can see here is a success. So we can now log in to our dashboard, Username was admin and password was also admin. Just click on it. It's also taking little bit of time. Okay guys, this is the dashboard of WordPress. After installation of WordPress, you can see the picture like this. These are the all tools which we discussed in our futures video. So this was the video. I am wrapping this video in this point. So guys, this is Shivraj Joshi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Whenever and wherever you are watching this video, stay tuned with me and keep it in mind, how much you earn is depends on how much you learn. Goodbye.